Welcome back to JetView 512. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting experiences in modern aviation, the breathtaking 2025 takeoffs that are redefining what it means to lift off the runway. As we step outside onto the tarmac, the first thing that captures your attention is the stunning exterior design crafted for performance and presence. The aerodynamic skin features smooth, sculpted lines that reduce drag while giving the aircraft a futuristic look that stands out in any airport around the world. Every panel, curve, and winglet is engineered with precision, showcasing not only beauty but an intentional design philosophy centered around efficiency and strength. The 2025 models incorporate advanced composite materials that lighten the aircraft while enhancing durability. This means quicker acceleration during takeoff, reduced fuel burn, and a smoother climb into the sky. As engines roar to life, you can feel the evolution of aviation technology beneath your feet. The latest turbofan systems combine power with whisper-like quietness, delivering an incredible balance of thrust and environmental responsibility. When the aircraft begins rolling down the runway, every second of that journey reflects decades of engineering progress and innovation. From the moment the nose lifts to the instant the aircraft breaks free from the runway, the signature 2025 takeoff is both powerful and graceful. Now let's step inside the cabin where the interior design brings a new meaning to passenger comfort and modern luxury. Soft ambient lighting washes over carefully crafted seating arrangements created to maximize both space and relaxation. The materials are premium, the finish is smooth, and the layout optimized for long-haul comfort and smart functionality. Advanced climate controls adapt automatically to passenger needs, while noise-reducing cabin architecture ensures a quiet and peaceful experience. Large panoramic windows offer expansive views during ascent, letting passengers enjoy the dramatic transition from runway to sky. Behind these features lies a rich history of aviation evolution. From early experimental flights to today's groundbreaking engineering, each generation of aircraft has contributed to the remarkable experience we see in 2025. These takeoffs symbolize not just technological advancement but the ongoing ambition to push boundaries in speed, safety, and performance. With unmatched design, powerful yet efficient engines, and interiors built for the future, the 2025 takeoff experience represents the next chapter in aviation excellence. Thanks for watching JetView 5.